everyone, happy Friday and welcome to our fun Artifact Friday. We're putting our laboratory coats on today because we have a medical artifact from our archives for you. So from the outside, this is just an oak wood box and it's painted white, and it kind of looks like any other case that you could see on a random shelf. But if we open it up, it's actually a miniature laboratory for doctors to use. So inside we have a couple test tubes. We have a funnel here, a graduated cylinder. We have some evaporation discs in here and a couple of other really cool things. Here we have some reagent bottles, and this case would actually be used for urine testing. So they would have chemicals stored in these reagent bottles, they would mix it with a sample of urine, and it would detect for substances in the urine. There's instructions here for doctors to kind of tell which markers were what for different diseases of the kidneys. So that's kind of all we have for you today. We're going to post a list because there's an inventory list so you can know exactly what's in this case, and we'll see you next Friday. Bye!